I just tried to visit my grandma and she was not home. Grandma, why? And then I was like, I really don't need to go to Joann's. So I tried to visit my friend at work. She wasn't there either. So now I'm sitting in the Joann's parking lot. So we're gonna go inside. It's not my fault today. It's really not. I tried really, really hard not to come here. God, it smells like Halloween. Look at this cute little ghosty. He's so cute. Oh my God, does he light up? Oh my God. Like those. I'm all for Halloween in July. I'm all for it. Forget Christmas in July, Halloween in July. All the way. All the way. Oh, look at these. They're so pretty. That reminds me of something like my grandmother would have in her house. Oh my God, it's a cocktail shaker, but Halloween? Yes, please. The coffin shelves, those are cute. I like that. I like that a lot. I just don't know where I'd put it. Is it glass? I think so. Maybe? I can't tell. Goodness, the skeleton in the bathtub, in the bathroom. That's funny. Do I need more coffee mugs? No. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Hexy Witch. The moon made me do it. Death before decaf. Love, love, love. Look at this little ghosty guy. Do I drink coffee? No. Do I want these? Oh, I love this. I love that one. I really like that one. Is Pocus. I need this to focus. Yep. Adorable. I'm very, very ready for Halloween. So ready. So ready for oh, that's really cool. Boop. Yep. So ready for Halloween. Get ready to hibernate. Yep, that's my aesthetic. Even more. What? A whole other aisle of Halloween? This is amazing. Okay. What do we got? Anything good? This is like all the wreathy, outdoorsy stuff. Okay. All right. Boo. Okay. Tablecloth. Bats. All right. Oh my God. I am so happy. I love that. Oh, this makes me just so happy. Oh, I like this. Okay. Oop, do these light up? If it lights up, I want to touch it. Yep. Okay. Oh, I like that little stained glass pumpkin. That's super cute. Super cute. Okay. Oh my God, look at these little mushrooms. Oh my God, it's Halloween. Oh, that sunflower mirror is super cute. I like that a lot. Oh, I like that a lot, actually. How much is it? $30. I actually really like that. Those are fun. They're fun. These are interesting. Oh, it's a spooter. It's a spooter. I get it. Okay, so that's a cute way to do your clearance. I like it. I have found some of the most random stuff. Okay. Definitely not mad about it though. Okay, I need to get a cart. I think I should go and get a cart. Yep. That's how I'm feeling right now. Okay. Oh, this is all your fault. I blame you. It's all your fault. Ooh, what's that? I haven't seen this stuff in literally years. This is Big Twist Cuddle. I guess they must have found a few skeins of it because I have not seen this stuff in a few years, and I've seen a few skeins of just this colorway around. I'm not gonna get it, but I've seen it. All the rest of this clearance that's happening over here. I like this alpaca, the Cayenne alpaca, so I'm gonna grab that skein. I'm looking at these, that maybe one of these might be good for hats, but I really don't need to buy any more hat yarn right now. I'm kind of thinking I'm good. I'm thinking about these ice cream blues for the knitting machine. Actually, this might be good for hats too. I'm gonna grab a skein of this for hats because that would make like just a good solid colored hat. This is pretty too. What is this big twist static? Oh, I haven't seen this in a while. Maybe this orangey copper color. Do we like this? Oh, this is really pretty. I'm gonna grab a skein of this. Debating on whether or not I want to grab those yellows. I don't think I need them. I think I'm good on that. No, I was just yelling at myself about white first, so I'm not going to grab those or the blue. I literally just wanted the gray. Oh, there's a few more gray back here. I'm going to grab the gray. All out of the gray, and I made bats with it, and they came out super cute. So I am going to take that. I don't need the static. I'm going to leave the rest. I don't need this either. We're good. So I finally have a store where they're all out. They're not all in one line, but I can show them all to you. So this one is the Zing Dot. It is absolutely freaking gorgeous. This one is Dino Dot. I like to call this one Mint Chocolate Chip. This one is Primary Dot, absolutely stunning. This one is Dino Egg Dot. I'm doing this all from memory, I'm hoping I'm correct. Yes, Dino Egg Dot, super, super cute. Look at this blue, it's just beautiful. This one, I don't remember the name of this one, Blueberry Dot, super cute. Blue Jean Dot, it's not that dark, it's coming up darker on camera. This one up here is Pixie Dot. I'm obsessed with this color. I love this color. And of course, Strawberry Dot. Love, love, love all of them. I just saw that. I'm so sorry. What do I see up there? That's coming home with me. I see those up there, so there might be some of the other ones. Oh, wait a minute. And there's this one. I'm sorry. I forgot the gray. The gray was all the way over here. This is Pebble Dot. Pebble Dot, yeah. Those are all the way over there. And then poor Pebble Dot's over here. That's so unfortunate. Why did they do that? This is definitely coming home with me. Done. That's a no-brainer. Do they have any of the other, like Adobe or that sunset color? If I see any of those, they are mine. Now I'm looking up. Now we're looking around. I'm about to go dumpster diving in the dump bins over there because there's dump bins over there and I know there's gonna be some good stuff in there. I've already found some good stuff in there. I'm not against dumpster diving today. That, Grandma, that's what you do to me. You make me dumpster dive. It's all your fault. Look at it. Oh my God. I found it. This one is the neon rainbow variegated. You guys, holy smokes. I'm obsessed. Color is insane. I don't see all of the new blanket colors out just yet here at this store, but not even coming up right on camera. This is Toasted Birch. It's beautiful. We have seen that color before. We have seen that color before. We got new dye lots of green tie-dye-ish. It's not coming up right on camera. This is the Clary Sage. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, not coming up well on camera. This is brand new. I've never seen this before. This one's also not coming up well on camera. It's grassy. That tracks. That's correct. This one we have seen before that has continued it last year. It is absolutely beautiful. That's Celestial Blue. That's really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. Dried Flowers, I only see it up there, but really pretty. We saw that last year too. See the new purple out, but I know that it should be somewhere. I don't know, that purpley blue one. I've shown it in other videos, but I don't see it here at all anywhere. Looks to me like these are the baby bear colors that are keeping, but they're apparently a little messy. I don't even really want to touch that. That's something. And then I've shown it in a few other videos, that baby bunny, that new stuff. It's really, really cute. It's polyester and viscose. It's super soft. It is rather thin. What is it, a 2? It's a 1. It's a 1 weight. I'd honestly probably say it's closer to a 2. But they have a gray, a mint, a light pink, a baby blue, and then they have these like multi-variegated ones that are really, really cute. This is the baby bunny as well. Those two down there. This is one, I believe. Yeah, that one, this one, that's one, this one, and that's a white. Got posh too. They had a lot of posh and they had more on the other side and all the other colors. Gonna find anything good at the bottom. I've not seen one of these in the stores in 6 months. Yes, coming home with me. All right, so
What are you doing?
I'm showing you what I bought. Grandma wasn't home.
You can sit on my lap, but don't kick me in the face.
You were out with Mom and Dad, but I went to go see Grandma. She wasn't home.
Oh, okay.
So I went shopping.
Oh, okay. And she blaming me. She went shopping.
It
cost her $100.
It's $140. It was all Grandma's fault.
She's blaming me.
It's Grandma's fault, right? And Ruthie says so too. So I got this first for hats.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's
that's
like
pretty.
It's a white. It's a white wool.
What are you making with this?
Hats.
Oh, hats?
Hats. It's really pretty, isn't it?
The hats?
Hats, yeah. Like the hats that you showed me how to make.
Oh. Okay.
We have that. And I have 2 more for hats.
Okay.
These 2.
Very nice.
They were on clearance.
Very good.
Okay. Look at this one.
That's a beautiful.
Oh, that's
sharpie
pretty.
colors. They're
Yeah.
beautiful.
That is nice.
Isn't
What
it
are you going to
pretty?
make with that?
I have no idea. But it's brand new, so I had to buy it. It was brand new and it was on
A
sale.
I
butterfly.
love you, Ruthie, but don't kiss
Ruthie,
me.
down.
No, she can stay
How
up
about
here.
a butterfly?
A butterfly. We can make a butterfly.
What
Yeah.
colors?
That would be pretty.
It's
too.
bright. Or a dinosaur.
Yeah, either one. I don't know.
I don't know.
It's
It's
pretty.
the colors are just
They're really-
It's gorgeous.
They're sharp. They're really beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
So we got that one. I found this really pretty pink.
Oh, that's pretty.
pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
That's like for a baby blanket. It's a nice color.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
They make all sorts of little animals with that.
You,
It's just
you
a
like
pretty...
working with this heavy wool.
I do.
Yeah. See, it's too heavy for me.
I know. I know. But so we got that one. Then
Oh, that's a pretty
that's
color.
a pretty color.
Oh, that's a beautiful
blue.
color.
isn't that pretty?
But that's thick, huh?
Yeah, it's all thick wool.
Rudy.
Yeah, but you crochet fast with it.
I do.
Yeah.
Mm.
You can do a lot with it.
Ha 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 ha.
Oh, that's pretty too. This is nice.
They're discontinuing it.
Oh, you're kidding.
They're getting rid of it on me.
And what can you make with this?
Pigs and flamingos.
Is
They
that
love the
You
fuzzy.
can work with
It's a
this,
beaut-
Nancy?
It's a soft wool.
It's the fuzzy flamingos. People go nuts.
Very pretty.
They go nuts.
And make a nice blanket, nice heavy one.
You and your blanket.
Yeah, I'm used to blankets.
I
That's what I
know.
always did.
So I got 3 of this one.
Wow, you really went crazy.
Uh-oh. What do you got now?
Oh, my God.
Oh, what do you could do with that? You make elephants with these?
Elephants, bats, lots of bats.
Oh, they're
Very.
pretty.
Lots of bats.
Yeah, for Halloween you can make the bats. You can make the, what is that other one? The spider?
Spider.
Yeah. Very pretty.
Spider, bats, anything like that. They love like the fur.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Yeah, they're brown,
No,
aren't
turtle. A turtle.
A turtle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turtle is nice.
Yeah. So I got a lot of the
they?
gray.
Yes, it's really
Or like a
pretty.
penguin.
Yeah,
the
that's
fuzzy
true,
little
yeah.
penguin.
Or some sort of a fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they got that great the background. This is really, it's got like a two-tone.
Yeah, that's pretty.
But so I'm out of that right now, so I got a bunch of that. And then I haven't seen this in a long time.
Wow. Oh, what did you do with this one, Sarah?
Probably spiders and bats, seahorses.
See, you got the
Elephant.
imagination
Wow, that's a
for an
lot.
animal. I would never do the animals. I'm still getting my owl put together. I haven't done the wings
That's
on
a-
it yet.
I started those wings for you. You
What
ever
did you
know.
pay for that?
$24.
Oh, I could see why. That's a lot.
And
But it goes a long way. with
That
all
was on
long.
crazy clearance for
Yeah.
$24. That's originally like I think they're originally 60 something for that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a nice size.
Yeah. Yeah. So gonna get a lot out of that. I'm really excited about it.
So what are you making now?
I don't know yet. I don't know what we're gonna start with. Excuse
What do
me.
you have to make a lot of so far?
Everything. I'm out of everything right now. Ugh. I'm out of everything. So
You really have to start. So, well, now's the time to do it where you don't have any,
Shows, yeah, I know.
shows.
Yep. We gotta get to work. All right.
And you got the truck to put it in.
Yes. Yeah, we have the
Right?
truck.
That helps.
Yep. Yep. If you liked this video, guys, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and please make sure you leave Grandma a comment. Grandma Terry and Grandma Nancy, please leave them a comment below. Tell them you love them. They are both very, very, very camera shy, and Grandma's coming up in a future video very, very soon, and I'm really, really excited about it. So please give my grandma some love down below. Encourage them. Tell them they did a great job, because I love them so much. I know you guys do too. Hit that like button, maybe consider subscribing and hit the bell, that way you'll be notified. If you're interested, I do now have a second channel, The Visionary Journal. Ben and I are doing some fun stuff over there. We're house hunting, we go on adventures, we're doing all sorts of fun stuff. We're in Rhode Island right now. We're gonna be showing you some adventures we're doing here. So, maybe think about subscribing over there if you want to. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.